Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 crashing to desktop after the latest update, especially if you own the game on Steam. First, I want you to try the fix that worked for many players. Launch the game and go to Options, then Language Select. If your game is currently set to System Language, change it to another language. For example, I changed mine to English, UK. After changing the language, the game will restart automatically. Once it restarts, check if the crashing issue is gone. For many players, this alone fixes the problem. If the game is still crashing, do this Steam fix. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click Forza Horizon 6 and select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Browse. In the game folder, find Forza Horizon 6.exe. Right-click it, choose Properties, then open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as administrator. Also enable Disable Full-Screen Optimizations. Click Apply and OK. Now let's set the game to high performance. Open Windows Settings and search for Graphics Settings. Click Browse and select the Forza Horizon 6.exe file from your Steam installation folder. After adding it, click the game, choose Options, and set it to high performance. After applying all of these changes, restart your PC and launch Forza Horizon 6 again. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe,